we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Whoa! Ready, set, go! We say, oh!
Welcome back to Big Zak. We having tools. We having my sister recording my face. My sister recording the motorbike and a halogen 12-volt headlight. We take this. Oh, we need something. We take this. Aha, looks good. You remember maybe that I changed something on this motorcycle. What is a motorbike? You could say it's a bicycle. The wires are quite loose because the steering wheel is shorter. But we will maybe can put everything in the headlamp. I show you what I mean. We'll take the screw off. Show the screw. It's here. Here is one screw. One screw. It's open. Oh. It's a small screw. We screw it over. We take other screw. Next screw, it's also losing. So we lose the other screw and we screw it. Speaking Spanish. Oh, headlamp. A lot of wiring. Me don't know. Me not speaking good English. But we will pull the wires a little bit inside, then just do like this. Magic happens. Everything disappears. You see more wiring because the wires are getting in. Called wire in. It's difficult to see, but you just need to find this wire from this side. Anyways, more difficult. And we don't like difficult, we like easy. Easy peasy. We did something wrong because I don't know how else we can take this out. And we do this. Do this. Back forth. Oh. Oh. It looks still packed. It looks the same. Which one is the new one now? Okay. okay, lucky. This is screwed over. We make a clip clap, top up. So we wiring up. The wedding was expensive. Screws over here, lamp here. Okay, I have screws and I will screw it over. And it's done. Let me check.
Pesado.